Welcome to NCERT Math channel. I'm here to explain Class 6 Math in simple ways useful for both academic and competitive exams. In the chapter 1, today we are going to see a second problem in the exercise 1.2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So they have given that he have scored 6,980 runs so far. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So how much runs he need to accomplish his goal? So his goal is 10,000. He have scored so far 6,980 runs. So he have to reach 10,000 runs. So he have to start from his 6,980 runs step by step process. After that he will reach 10,000 runs. So they have asked how much run he need to reach that 10,000 runs. Okay, so we have to subtract the score he has secured so far from his goal. So we have to subtract 10,000 minus 6,980 runs in order to get the runs to reach his goal. Shall we start the subtraction? 10,000 minus 6,980. So starting from the ones position, we are going to subtract 0 minus 0, it's 0. In the tens position, it is 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. We have to borrow from the position next to it. So the next position is also 0. Hundreds position is also 0. So the next position is the 10,000s position and it is also 0. And the next position is lakh position. So we have to borrow from that. The lakh position, there is a 1. So we have to strike that 1 and place 0 over there and have to carry 1 with the 0 in the 10,000s position. Strike that 10 and make it 9 and borrow that 1 and carry that to the hundreds position. And strike the 10 and make it 9 and borrow that 1 to the tens position. So now in the tens position 10 will be there. 10 minus 8 is 2. So in the hundreds position 9 minus 9 is 0. In the 10,000s position 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is he needs 3,020 runs to fulfill his wish, which means to reach 10,000 from 6,980 he needs 3,020 runs. So second question is, this is third question in the exercise 1.3. In an election, there is a famous successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? That means the candidate the successful candidate has secured 5,77,500 votes. And his rival is nothing but a candidate who is standing in the same area, in the same occupation. That means he is also a candidate but in the same area. Okay, so he has secured 3,48,700 votes. So they have given how much the margin did the successful candidate win the election. Okay, so how much the margin is nothing but we have to subtract in order to get the margin of the successful candidate. So subtraction of 3,48,700 votes from 5,77,500 votes. So we are going to subtract 5,77,500 votes minus 3,48,700 votes. So shall we start the subtraction? In the ones position there is 0 minus 0, 0. And also in the tens position 0 minus 0 is always 0. And the hundreds position, coming to this hundreds position, 5 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from the 5. So we have to borrow 1 from the next position, which is the thousands position. 7. We have to strike the 7 and make it 6 and borrow that 1 and place the 1 near 5. So it will become 15. 15 minus 7, it's 8. Then 6 minus 8. We can't subtract 8 from 6. So we have to borrow from the 10,000s portion. So strike the 7 and make it as 6 and borrow that 1 and place near the 6. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 6 minus 4, we can't subtract 4 from 6, right? No, we can subtract 6 minus 4 as 2. So 6 minus 4, 2. Then 5 minus 3, it's 2. So finally, the successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. So the next question is that they have given a number, bunch of number, 5-digit number, and they are asking find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each number should be used only once. So they have given the number 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. We have to find the greatest 5-digit number from the given digits. So to find the greatest 5-digit numbers, we have learned before in the previous videos, right? How can we decide the highest or greatest 5-digit number from the given digits? So first rule is to find the greatest digit among the given digit. What is the greatest digit? It's 7. So place 7 in the first position. Okay, in the left corner of the first position, place it, and hide the 7 from the given digit, and decide which is the greatest number from the remaining number. It's 6. So place a 6 nearer to the 7. So next, hide the 6 and 7 numbers from the given digits. So remaining numbers are 2, 4, 3. Which is the greatest among the 3 numbers? It's 4. So 7, 6, 4 will be the number. So the remaining numbers are 2 and 3. Among these 2 numbers, which is greatest? 3 is the greatest number. So place 7, 6, 4, 3, and the remaining on single number is 2. So place a 2 at the last. So this is the greatest 5-digit number so far. So the next, they have asked the least 5-digit number. So reverse the highest 5-digit number so you can get the least 5-digit number. They have given what is the difference between these 2 numbers. So we can always subtract the smaller number from the higher number, right? So subtract 76,432 minus 23,467. So how can we subtract? By the usual method. So write down these 2 numbers. Okay, in the ones position there will be 2 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from 2. We have to borrow from the tens position. That means we have to strike the 3 and make it as 2 and borrow that 1 and place near the 2. 12 minus 7, it's 5. So then we have to consider 2 minus 6. It is possible we can't subtract 6 from 2. So we have to borrow from the next nearby position, hundreds position. So in the hundreds position we have 4. Strike that 4 and make it as 3 and carry that 1 to the 2. Place the 1 nearer the 2. So 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 6, it's 6. So we can't subtract 4 from 3. So we have to borrow from the nearest position, 10,000s position. So in the 10,000s position, it's 6, right? Strike that 6, make it 5 and borrow that 1 and place near the 3. It will become 13. 13 minus 4, it will be 9, right? And 5 minus 3, it's 2. And in the lakhs position, in the 10,000s position, 7 minus 2, it is 5. So if you can't do this kind of subtraction now easily or faster, make it as 7 minus 2 means 7 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, and after 2 we have to count until 7. That means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that you have to count. Okay, so the difference of 5-digit number is 52,965. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe NCERT Math for more maths related videos useful for both academic and competitive exams.